she grinding, she stands for the man who's gonna treat her right.
भाइचादेखि कस्तो मजा आउने क्या
त्यो मैले बबल भाइचा हाल्नु पनि भाँचिन्छ भनेर नहालेँ मैले भाँचिन्छ अरे बबल भाइचा यस्तो उठेको अलिकति ट्र्याक्क ठोक्यो नि भाँचिन्छ अरे
ल ल अगाडि हिँड्नु नि
अहिले ताजा छ नि त म अघिदेखि गुडेर आएको छु Let's go guys. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mr.Puspa and hope everybody good. This is first time I am in the city. We are going to the Environment Park in Nepal. Oh my god! Vale otak, kenapa? Vale otak. Oh my god!
Oh my god.
I can feel the revolution in the air. Come on closer, I might as well speak what you want to hear. Revolution in the air. Open up my eyes, open up my mind. It's too dark to see, but if you think that makes me blind, I'll be goddamn. Now tell me if you can't hear me. This is the soul revival, hold on tighter. But I'm not here to knock you off of your feet or make you lose your grip. I'd rather let it sleep so you can keep what you hold on to. So it's about the intellect and charm that won't do you any harm. But I gotta work to pay my bills, so I might as well save some up, spread some love, then I'll buy a property over the hill. I broke the code and I cracked the seal. I know it's a long way, though I'm still going for the king's meal. Forgive and forget, one way to heal. If you're taking one way, save up your deal. Cause I'm done wasting my time, wasting my mind, thinking is it yours or mine. So rock the free world to change up the time. If it wasn't for freedom, I wouldn't even rhyme. I can feel the revolution in the air. Revolution, redemption. I'm moving up, but you been down low. I'll be your get-go. For your information, I didn't have a set goal, so I let the time roll. So here it unfolds. In this life, you take a toll, pay up front for what you can, or it might just get sold. Or it might just get sold. You know, let's go. I get low just to get high. If I can't swim, well, I will fly. Well, I don't come here to waste my time, with no time for the painted disguise. We're riding up in the hills by the ocean, chasing the sunsets. If it was a dream, then it just came real. Feel this, read, write, and dream till you can reach that blue skies, the blue skies. Hands up in the air if you can feel what I said, till you can reach that blue skies, the blue skies. Looking up to the blue skies. We can take it easy. I do believe in us, believe in us, believe in us. So here we go, this is my glory, I paid my dues. If you don't understand, you won't have a clue. Watch birds run free in the open skies. Let the time